Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here they given xenon trifluoride, which is cation. You have to find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number. For the steric number, you have to substitute xenon valency, which is 8, chlorine atom, which is 3, and the cation charge is +1, so you have -1. Finally, you have 10 by 2, which is 5. Then lone pair, if you count it, H minus B gives 2. So H5 means sp3 hybridization with 2 lone pairs. Here the lone pair always come equatorial. It is a formula, you should memorize it. Trigonal bipyramidal with 2 lone pair mean you have T shape there, because lone pair we don't count it because size is very small. The concept you have to learn here is lone pair always come in equatorial position. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.